Is Hims and Hers stock a potential buy right now? Let's make a quick calculation to see if it possibly is. If we look what analysts think they will grow going forward, we can assume they will roughly grow revenue by 26% annually for the next 5 years. That will take their revenue to roughly $2.8 billion. If they have a 15% profit margin that some analysts think they can have, they will make $416 million in profit. Now let's take 416 million times a 25 price to earnings multiple and get a market cap of $10.4 billion. Today they have a market cap of $3.6 billion. That is an upside potential of 189% if these assumptions come true. That will take the stock from $16.50 to $47.70. That is a CAGR of 24%. That is why I am invested in them. I bought shares today at $16.39. Hims and Hers Health, a brief overview. Hims and Hers Health is a company that focuses on telehealth services, providing accessible and convenient healthcare solutions. Their platform caters to both men and women, addressing various health needs. Hims and Hers leverages telemedicine to connect patients with licensed healthcare providers. Through their app, users can access consultations, prescriptions, and personalized treatment plans for various conditions. Approximately 28% of men lack a primary care doctor, and around 60% don't visit a doctor regularly. Hims and Hers fills this gap by offering discreet and affordable services, making it an attractive option for those seeking convenient healthcare. In the last reported quarter, Hims and Hers Health achieved impressive revenue growth, with a year-over-year change of plus 51.8%. This growth reflects the increasing demand for telehealth services. Every adult is a potential customer when it comes to healthcare. Hims and Hers patient base of 1.5 million is just a fraction of the U.S. population. As awareness of telehealth grows, the company has significant room for expansion. Hims and Hers Health boasts a net margin of 4%, surpassing industry averages. Effective cost management contributes to its strong profitability. Analysts expect robust earnings growth for HIMS. The consensus estimate indicates a change of plus 300% for the current fiscal year and plus 73.1% for the next fiscal year. Positive revisions to earnings estimates often drive stock prices higher. The shift toward digital health solutions aligns with broader industry trends. As consumers seek convenient and personalized care, Hims and Hers is well-positioned to capitalize on this shift. In summary, Hims and Hers Health combines telehealth innovation, market potential, and solid financials. While all investments carry risks, this under-the-radar stock offers intriguing upside potential for those who believe in the future of digital healthcare. Do your own due diligence. Don't take this as investment advice, only for inspiration. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you for watching.